There has been a lathi charge on people asking for registration of a rape case against the accused. Pranshu joining us with more details. Pranshu.
Well, yes, these were the family members and the relatives of the victim who was allegedly raped and murdered a couple of days back in Meerut, and then the family has further demanded that this autopsy should be done, after which the dead body was again dug out of the grave, the medical exam samples taken, and now those samples have already been sent for further examination. But meanwhile, the family was demanding that immediate case of rape should be registered against the accused. Police's viewpoint was that already a case of murder has been registered, and in case the medical examination establishes the rape, only then those rape charges would be, the sections related to the rape case would be slapped on the accused. So with that demand the family members are protesting outside the office of SSP Meerut, and when this entire protest continued for long, then police of course resorted to lathi charge and using the force on the people who were in fact demanding an immediate registration of the rape case against the 3 to 4 accused in this alleged rape and murder case.
But Pranshu, it's an absolute apathy. It's an absolute apathy because first the administration fails to prevent such cases, and when the family members and when there is a demand to register a case also, they are being lathi charged, and all this happening in a state where its own chief minister is shooting the messenger. The Samajwadi Party chief is ducking the responsibility by making loose statements.
Yes, that's right. In fact, this entire protest could have been dealt with more sympathetically. That is something the police force should have done, because remember, in this case, the family was grieved at the loss of the sudden demise, loss of their teenage daughter. She was around 14 or 15 years of age. No doubt, the police's version was that first let the rape thing become clear, and then those relevant sections of IPC would be included in the already existing FIR. But then this point could have been convinced to the family in a more decent manner, in a more understanding manner, but that was not done, and rather brutal force was used on the family members of the rape victim.
Absolutely. Is this the way to treat those who are demanding justice, especially a family which has seen such a tragic incident? In fact, the girl and the victim who was raped, her dead body was taken out, so that they wanted an immediate case of FIR registered against the accused, and here you see how the police is just using force at those victims' family. Well, Pranshu, if you're still with us, have you been able to speak to the victim's family after the lathi charge happened?
Well, see, the victim's family says that their daughter died all of a sudden. She was fine when they have left home, and when they returned back, they found her in a serious condition. So clearly, they feel that something went wrong. There must be some people who have done this heinous crime. The family therefore got this body dug out again. This further examinations were taken, and therefore they are clearly convinced that this is a clear case of rape and murder, and not just a case of murder by some stray people. And therefore they were demanding that immediate case of rape should also be registered against the accused people in this case.
Well, Pranshu, a lot that the Chief Minister of the state has to answer for as far as the law and order situation is concerned, and with this incident as well. Thanks for joining us with those details.